back again with another video, obviously. And today we're going, where is it? Blue Lagoon in Portland. And I'm back again with Natalie. Woohoo! And her boyfriend Larry. So come along with us on this adventure to the beautiful Portland. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, so we stopped for a little bit. St. Mary's banana chips. Oops. Alright. Just I stretch my leg for a little bit. Oh Jesus. Excuse me. Smile. Now stretch your foot. Excuse me. Don't lick me down. I know one picture, you know. My hand twist up your neck sucker. Alright, see you guys in the next clip when we're at or near our destination. Guys, so we made it and the place pack up. Have a park on the roadside, but in true Jamaican fashion, you know, we make parking outside where there is no parking. So we're up on the cut off my forehead, we're on the roadside, so I'll take you guys with me. So we're up on the park on the roadside, take you guys with me. Walk all the way back down this long ass place.
Oh, look here.
Oh.
I didn't realize that was there.
The boy right there.
Oh, that's a fountain of you.
Yeah, we're coming from all the way up there, guys. So we're gonna walk all the way down. So alright, so we almost there to the head top. Oh. You're a real fraud for the camera. This is a craft market. Eh? Oh wow. What is it? Right. Sorry, excuse me. Go. How did we get you smiling? Go on. So wave again. Lindsey, go like this.
US for rent. They rent one of this villa for like $1,200 US for one night. And when you rent, you get like an housekeeper, a chef, and a butler. And it's very beautiful in the night time also. I don't come over some more. Go straight over there. The second one here for the Myers family. They own all the KFC and Pizza Hut franchise on the island. And that one you see under construction for Michael Leachin. Break down the first one and making a new one. And it's the only villa here with a natural spring that runs through it. And this one right here for Bus Stewart, who owns Sandals Resort. That's where Tom Cruise stayed when they shot the movie Cocktail. That's where the rapper Tiger do the music video one and one. And this one on the extreme top was the first villa to build on the waterfront. It was made in the 1960s. Lagoon. You feel 10 years younger.
You can stop now. But I like girl dance.
Yeah.
I don't skin out.
Why not?
You're recording, that's what it is.
Go on in the water now.
Bruh.
Alright, I'm moving the camera for you, make it crack it dancing.
There's a big here, so drop it.
None best over there, no?
Run back in. You know, I'm gone.
Oh shit.
Going all the way up. I'll walk through. Nobody! I'm gonna put that up on the video. You stay there. It continue. Just make it go. No? Is it awesome or something? Where? Oh! I thought there was an arm on. Oh. That's a snail. Okay. I don't even see.
This is good exercise.
You know what the funny part is?
Have to come back down?
To come back. No elevator. Yeah, I forgot to again now.
We are going to the Fountain of Youth. I'm not to the hopefully back in our Pitney. Yeah? Oh, we're at the Fountain of Youth. Oh, this is nice. The water cool. Can go in front for me. Fountain of Youth. Yes, sir. Now we're getting some food. Food time. All kind of food there. So I said Barbie fried chicken. Eh? From Portland. Oh, oops. Barbie fried chicken and festival from Portland Drug Center.